Hello everyone, welcome back. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Lot of iPhone users have been reporting that Snapchat app make their picture more white after iOS 14 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Simply restarting your iPhone might be fix lot of problems on your iPhone. To restart iPhone, launch settings, tap on general, tap shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Once you turn off, wait for 30 seconds and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Update Snapchat. To check update for Snapchat, first connect to Wi-Fi, then open App Store. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to pending updates section. If update available for Snapchat, tap update button. Solution number 3. Delete and reinstall Snapchat. For that, tap and hold the Snapchat until you get quick action menu. Then tap delete app. Again tap on delete to confirm this process. Once you delete it, wait for few seconds and re-download it from App Store. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.